In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TradingView Favorite Toolbar, a handy feature that can streamline your workflow and make accessing your frequently used tools a breeze. Let's dive right in and explore how to set up and utilize this efficient feature. First, when you open your TradingView chart, focus on the Drawing Tool menu located on the left side. This menu is your go-to spot for all the drawing tools available. To start building your favorites toolbar, find the specific tool you use often. Hover your mouse over that tool, and you'll notice a star icon appears right next to it. Clicking this star icon marks the tool as a favorite, and you'll soon see it pop up in your favorites toolbar. The favorites toolbar emerges on your chart as a floating, customizable bar. It's like having a personal toolbox, always ready for quick access. One great advantage of this feature is that you no longer need to open the complete drawing menu whenever you want to use one of your go-to tools. They're all there, just a click away, saving you time and keeping your chart area tidy. What's fantastic about this toolbar is its flexibility. It's designed to be moved around, so feel free to drag it to any spot on your chart. Whether you want it on the top, bottom, or snugly alongside your main view, you can position it wherever it suits you best for the most comfortable experience. If there comes a time when you need to remove a tool from this bar, it's just as simple. You'll repeat the process of clicking the same star icon beside the tool in question. Once clicked, the tool will disappear from your favorites toolbar, decluttering your space and leaving only those you frequently use. Managing the visibility of your entire favorites toolbar is equally straightforward. If you're on a Windows or Mac, you can quickly show or hide the toolbar with the keyboard shortcut CTRL plus Alt plus H. This is perfect for those moments when you want a clean chart view without any distractions. Alternatively, on the same left-hand side floating toolbar, there's a small eye icon above the trash can icon. Clicking this eye icon will toggle the visibility of your favorites toolbar on and off. This gives you the flexibility to view a full chart or your narrowed-down toolbar. These simple actions make using TradingView much more efficient, allowing for a more seamless and enjoyable charting experience. So go ahead and personalize your favorites toolbar today to enhance your workflow and make your trading journey all the more efficient and enjoyable.